going to try to find a T5, which I did. It was on some. It was about $1,900.
See, by the time you have the money to buy the transmission, you could fucking rebuild the motor. So rebuild the motor and then order your T5.
Yeah. You're just going to be in about $3,000.
But then you're going to have one hell of a car.
Yeah.
Oh, that is true.
You see this? Right here. Right here. That little bit of rust? It's everywhere. It's all over the motor. And it's inside it too. You might as well just rebuild it. Build it. Not even rebuild it.
Oh.
This would be a really nice supercharger. And your headlights would be really good spots for 2 turbos.
Just stroke it out.
That's what I thought about doing.
Yeah,
Anyway.
Just stroke it.
Just stroke it.
So you can have a stroker and get stroked.
I don't think we're allowed to say that on YouTube. But it's fine. I mean, either way, whatever you like. See this? This right here? You don't even need that.
See how heavy all this shit is? That takes away like
If you
15
take off
horsepower.
at least everything from here up, you're saving yourself like
Oh, I know.
30 miles to the gallon, and you're adding like an extra 300 horsepower without the turbos.
See, we could do race car. We could just delete power steering, AC. I mean, all the
Fucking do it.
typical stuff. I mean, just have a 3-inch belt and fucking throw it in there and go.
Fuck, cut a hole in a goddamn hood and throw a blower in it.
Yeah.
Fuck, we can pro charge this some bitch.
What's that mean?
The Pro Charger? The Pro Charger's your built driven.
I'm joking.
Oh.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
Well, see, some people really don't know what that is. They're like, what the fuck's a Pro Charger?
Don't worry about it. It's cool. For anybody that don't know what a Pro Charger is, it's that. Exactly what we just said.
It's just belt driven.
You put a belt, you just take the motor off. And you just put a belt to your tires and your transmission and you just go.
No,
that's a
shifting shit.
Well, see, when you shift, it makes the belt longer. That way you go quicker.
Try it.
Just for anybody that doesn't know what it is.
That's right. See, if you want weight reduction, you delete this. And you just
take
put the Pro Charger right
all
in the
of
middle.
that. Yeah, it's just a belt.
Yep.
It's belt driven. That's what that stands
Force air
for.
into it. It spins the turbine, spins the wheels. Straight fucking horsepower. It's like an electric car.
Yeah, identical to an electric car.
That's right, man. We're taking over Tesla.
Fuck
could.
you, on.
We really could. All we got to do is just slap about 100, at least 100 batteries. And when I say batteries, I'm talking like AA. So if we just slap the whole floorboard full of AA batteries, oof, that would take too many AAAs.
Exactly. Well, we'd have the whole car.
Bless.
From the nose to the ass, man. Of just AAAs.
Just AAA batteries all the way down with just wires
Big old
everywhere.
D batteries in this motherfucker.
Oh, hey. Here's the thing, man. We don't weld them in
If
there.
we did D batteries, we
We
don't
don't
have
glue
to
them
have
in
two.
there. Listen, hey, deal.
You remember hang on, you remember
We'd
those,
have double D's in your car.
you remember the big mag lights that used to have like the big
yeah.
batteries that were like that fucking big? Yeah. We just put 2 of those bad bitches right here where the headlights are. It would charge that thing for days.
Then you could say your car has double D's.
Yeah.
You know, my question is, if we have electric cars, why don't we just put solar panels on them? Then we don't have to stop for charging. It charges it on the go.
They actually are doing that on semis.
Yeah, they are.
Well, how would you know? You don't read up about semis. You don't drive a truck.
No, I know, but still, that's what Elon Musk is talking about.
He said,
No,
yeah, but
Elon Musk wasn't doing it.
I'll look at too.
All right, guys. We got everything off the front of the motor, mostly because Bondi told us to. But so it don't hit anything. It just comes out easier, whatever. This, I really want to show you guys this. We couldn't get the pulley off, and we couldn't get a regular wrench. So Bondi just took it and shaved it down, and it came out. But now we can't get the wrench out. So whoever we give it to, if they can get the wrench out, they can have it. Don't. Little side note, if you use Hart brand and you're trying to take parts off a motor, don't twist because that happens. It breaks.
Yeah, just $110 of mine down the drain.
Just use a regular ratchet or a breaker bar. Or a wrench.
Yeah, don't use these to break shit apart.
Don't use these because now we got to get a new one.